Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me. This is Simply Serene and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to clean your silver jewelry with baking soda. So what you're going to need is, of course, the baking soda, a ceramic cup, and some aluminum foil that fits inside of the ceramic cup or a bowl. Guys, so the first thing we're going to do is take the aluminum foil and put it right into the cup like so. Then we're going to take the baking soda and we're going to fill the bottom of the ceramic cup. Make sure it's all spread out like so. Then we're going to take all the jewelry and place it in the bottom. Got my Pandora, I got my Tiffany bracelet, another Tiffany bracelet. You see how tarnished this is. I have some diamond earrings, some sterling silver earrings, my silver hoops, and I have our wedding rings. So once that's all in there, I'm gonna take some hot water that I have sitting to the side, and I'm just gonna pour it in there. And as you can see, it's bubbling. So we're gonna let that bubble for a few minutes. A little bit more. So we're going to let that bubble. And while it's bubbling, the baking soda is activating off of the aluminum foil. So we're going to give it about 2 to 3 minutes. And after 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna rinse it. That's looking pretty good. My earrings are looking pretty good. So of course I'm not gonna put my hand in there because it's so hot. Can't seem to grab anything else, so we're just gonna wait a few more minutes. 3 minutes has elapsed. So I've got a bowl full of water and I got just a regular cloth, washcloth. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this out in the sink. See how dirty it is? Without any jewelry. It actually smells like rotten eggs. Take all the jewelry out and just put it in the water just to clean it off. And it's just some room temperature water. All right, so I'm just rinsing all that, just letting it rinse. So I'm just gonna grab each piece and just wipe it off. This came out really good, as you can see. So did this. Remember this little dainty Tiffany bracelet was really tarnished. Because I don't wear all of my jewelry all the time, so it just sits in my jewelry box. You see how a lot of it was just dirty. I went ahead and put my ring on, and you can see how that's shining. So I'm gonna get rid of the water. Here's the final of how the jewelry came out. And you can see really, really clean and glistening. Even these. So this was just a quick DIY of how to clean your silver jewelry with baking soda. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks so much, and you guys have a happy Friday.